Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you the full review of the Levels Gym app. So let's get started. So here I can see the Levels Gym app. So I will just open it. Okay. And from here, I will just select the language as my English. And from here, you have to give your email address and password and log in into the ID. Okay. Then you can click on the sign up option if you are new to the gym and you can create your account as well. After that you have to if you can uh, add your friend, you can add if you have a friend on the gym. If you don't have, that's fine. You can get the nearest locations of the gym, the opening time, closing time, and the machines that are available on the gym. So it's a very easy to use app and I will recommend it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.